I love this homemade food. I love this homemade food. The bread feels very soft. The bread feels very soft. The food needs more salt. The food needs more salt. The juice is refreshing. The juice is refreshing. The curry is very spicy. The curry is very spicy. The rice is perfectly cooked. The rice is perfectly cooked. This food smells amazing. This food smells amazing. These fries are crispy. These fries are crispy. This mango is very sweet. This mango is very sweet. The pasta tastes creamy. The pasta tastes creamy. The ice cream is melting fast. The ice cream is melting fast. I don't like bitter food. I don't like bitter food. I want more noodles. I want more noodles. This soup tastes delicious. This soup tastes delicious. The tea is too hot. The tea is too hot. The cake looks beautiful. The cake looks beautiful. I'm still hungry. I'm still hungry. The chicken is well cooked. The chicken is well cooked. The coffee tastes strong. The coffee tastes strong. The sandwich is full of vegetables. The sandwich is full of vegetables. The dessert is my favorite part. The dessert is my favorite part. The salad looks healthy. The salad looks healthy. I can't finish this meal. I can't finish this meal. This burger is too big. This burger is too big. The pizza smells fresh. The pizza smells fresh. The sauce tastes sour. The sauce tastes sour. These cookies are crunchy. These cookies are crunchy. I want something spicy. I want something spicy. This food is too oily. This food is too oily. The food is getting cold. The food is getting cold.